Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall just get to it. So this is, I'm just going to showcase you how my learning methods for sketching have came on tremendously and in a very short space of time. These are sketches that I do very quickly and with a method. So these are from, I believe, 8 months ago. So yeah, as you can see, there's a bit of a difference, and yeah, so this is how I'm getting quick results, and with effectiveness you can too. This was done in 3 minutes 20 seconds, 2 minute 45, and 3 minutes. These are all applied with good speed, creating a quick feedback loop, which is where you get the information from and how you can adapt very quickly, and how you can alter what you're doing or keep what you're doing going so that you still get the good results. So in doing sketches very quickly, you very quickly then learn to see where the proportions should be, see where different features should be located, see where the structure is, that type of thing. I utilise good speed and creating the feedback loop along with geometric and observational methods. Originally it was purely Loomis method with different other methods like the geometric, but really I am purely using the geometric and observational methods now. So all three are now similar. Previously it was maybe one that was the closest to the original reference photo, then two would be very slightly close to it, maybe one would be completely off, but all three for the past couple of days, maybe a week, have been all similar to the reference photo. So from that I am improving my quick sketching, the speed, the accuracy, the ratios, proportions, all the structure, everything for the fundamentals of art, which is sketching and the proportions, so that you have a really good foundation for your later pieces of artwork. And it doesn't need to be like faces, it could be any topic at all. And this learning method could also be used for any other topic other than art. It was my husband that actually gave me the idea for this and to apply it to my sketching, because he knew that I wanted to improve. And he isn't in the artistic background, he's in software, and he also used this at university, so it's a completely different field altogether. If you want any more information, please contact me, and I shall see you next time.